Amazon is a global technology and e-commerce giant founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994. Initially started as an online bookstore, Amazon has expanded into various areas, including e-commerce, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, digital streaming, and more. It's one of the world's largest online retailers, offering a wide range of products and services through its website and mobile app. Amazon also provides cloud computing solutions through Amazon Web Services, AWS, which is widely used by businesses worldwide. The Amazon Affiliate Program, known as Amazon Associates, allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products on their websites, blogs, social media, or other online platforms. Here's how it works. Sign up. Joining the Amazon Associates program is free. You need to sign up through their website and provide information about your website, app, or other platforms where you'll be promoting Amazon products. Choose products. Once accepted into the program, you can browse through Amazon's vast catalog and select products to promote. You'll receive a unique affiliate link for each product you choose. Promote products. Incorporate these affiliate links into your content. This can be in the form of text links, banners, or product recommendations within your articles, videos, or social media posts. Earn commissions. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase on Amazon, you earn a commission on that sale. The commission rates vary depending on the product category and the volume of sales you generate. Compliance with Amazon's policies. Ensure you comply with Amazon's guidelines for affiliate marketers, which includes proper disclosure of your affiliate relationship with Amazon. Track performance. Amazon provides tracking tools and reports that allow you to monitor your performance, track clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. To succeed in the Amazon Associates program, focus on creating quality content that attracts your target audience and naturally integrates affiliate links. Build trust with your audience by providing genuine recommendations and valuable information related to the products you promote. Regularly analyzing your performance metrics can help refine your strategies and improve your earnings.